Gotta let the air be the air, the water be the water, the fire be the fire, the earth be the earth. You got to let these things be themselves so you can be you. You got to let them flow through you. You can't tell them what to do. You got to fit in with their circle. Yeah, you know you got to feel the truth. Yeah, it's burning in that fire deep down in the earth, blowing in your ear. Yeah, that's why you know you just don't have to fear anything, 'cause everything requires love to operate. Yeah, to operate. Everything needs love to operate. That's it. You got to grease the wheel. You got to grease the cogs in the universal machine. Yeah, I know you know. I know you feel. Go out of your way to make yourself feel good by doing something right for something who is down, for someone needs a hand. Yeah, someone needs a hand. Someone you know, and only you can show them it. Only you, 'cause you're a Jedi. Yeah, and you can feel the force. You know just what you gotta do. Raise your hand. Yeah, feel it all around you. Don't go to the dark side, baby. Don't go to the dark side, baby. Don't go to the dark side, baby. The dark side, baby. never have to worry. I call him instead. His answer came in action. He never spoke a word. Baby, I laid down the phone before he could be heard. I somehow feel forsaken, like he had closed the door. I guess I must have needed him as much as Woo! Thanks, everybody.
One more. It's still light out. Is it like I can